Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how can you make YouTube videos thumbnail. Today I will show you how can you make YouTube videos with thumbnails and also how I make my own thumbnails. Okay, first of all you need to open your internet browser because I make it without any Photoshop software. I also make my thumbnails on Canva.com. Okay, so first of all you need to open Canva.com. I think I already made a video on a Canva. So in today's video I am going to show you how can you make a thumbnails in a Canva. Okay, first of all you open your site, then name called Canva. Then here you can see the bird top templates icon. Here you select the templates, what kind of editing you want to do in this. Okay, here wait a little bit. Here in the templates segment you can see YouTube channel art or something. Okay, or you can do it simple in a search box. Simple, go there and type YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so let me type it. If I'm typing YouTube, mistaking YouTube thumbnail. Here you can see this YouTube thumbnail. Okay, I click on a YouTube thumbnail and just wait. As you know, my internet is a little slow. Here you can see thousands, so maybe thousands or bunches of thumbnails. What is your video? Your video is on which topic? So you can select the image whatever you wanted. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of videos are there. So videos, not it's templates are there. What kind of the content you want to make it thumbnail, just select it. Okay, here's the way. Here I'll tell you the one thing. So let me first of all select. Okay. Let me select. I selected this one. Just click on it. Just wait a little bit. Let's talk money. Here's a template. I just selected the template, simply edit it. What is your video about? Just select it and edit it. Okay, here let me type my thumbnail is about how to make YouTube. Oh sorry, it's selected the emojis. Oh sorry, wait, what I did. How to make YouTube. What am I doing, man? YouTube video. So not a video, a thumbnail. How to make YouTube thumbnail. Thumbnail without any software. Because if your thumbnail is good, then you will get more chances to get views. It's all depend on your thumbnails. Okay, so you can design whatever you want. You can make changes. Here I'm creating simple thumbnail. In later I will tell you how can you also select your thumbnails. Okay, let me first of all ungroup it. I want to delete other content. Okay, so let me ungroup it. Here can I ungroup it from right side? I ungrouped it. Now I can. Okay, here I can delete this. Yes, deleted. Here I can delete other content. Here I will delete this button also. Okay, let me delete it. I also have to delete this box. Here I will delete it. And I also have to delete this tags. Here is simple your tags. In today's video I'm just going to show you this simple thumbnail by normal size and simple ways. In upcoming days I will also upload another video on the thumbnail. On this video I will show you how can you create a professional thumbnails. Okay, let me highlight it with some other color. Here I select word software, then I go to color box. Okay, I will highlight it red color because it will attract viewers. Okay, you can see this. If you if you don't like the face of this guy, you can select it your own, but just go to the unsplash.com and select our image, just download it and upload it here in uploads folder section. Okay, here I simply clear it. Okay, I want to change all the text into black. Let me try how black looks. If you don't like the font, you may change fonts. Okay, in this video I'm just creating simple thumbnail. In upcoming days I will also make a video how can you create a professional thumbnail that hooks up your audience. Okay, what I did, man, select it. I have a little bit problem in mouse, not working properly. Okay, I selected color black. Here you can see it looks more attractive. If you don't like the language, you can simply select it and go there. You can easily change any kind of font. The bunches of fonts are also the here. Shook hand. Let's see how it looks in the shook hand. No, I don't like it. Okay, A2 more regular or something, what you ever call it, I don't know. For this font I need to make symbol my text. Do you know that alignment plays a better role in designing? I'm not going to show you professional teaching today. In upcoming day I will also make on videos. Okay, you can see how good it looks just changing the font. Here is a simple thumbnail. In upcoming day I will also share you how can you create a professional thumbnails. Okay, so here is it. Just go and click on a download button, so easily you can download whatever file type you need. I just suggested PNG. I also downloaded videos or thumbnails in PNG format. Just click on a download. Just wait a little bit. Okay, just wait. Okay, your download will be started. Here my download is started. Okay, so see you in another video. I will show you how can you, in upcoming days I will show you how can you create a professional thumbnails. See you tomorrow with another topic in another video. If you haven't smashed that subscribe button, just go click on the subscribe button and smash it, and also don't forget to click on a bell icon. See you soon.